Hi, I'm Tanya. I'm making this video for the review. So in the beginning, actually, it was nice for black, but here were slight problem happened. Now it is better to take the corner, and I have to connect. And as you play in the left underside, you can play here or even here in this case. This doesn't really um affect black because black can make a living in the corner, and then once black make a living in the corner, white shapes are disconnected. So this is not really good for white. So black had to had to choose this shape rather than this one, because in this case, white can take the corner. And even here, you played here, but it's better to take here and block to the center. Because as you can see, this is still opening and then this influence looks really good for black. So, no, not this one. Yeah, so let's look at the actual game. We played here and I came out to the center, but still black is quite um the game. So I try to make a fight, but you played here. In this case, your shapes are really strong, so it is better to take the center. What that means is that if I try to make a living, if you're scared of like attacking this side, you can just jump out and then play normally. Because once you just play really strong shapes like that, here, quite strong, you can attack this shape rather this one. Because white will make a living here, like that, and then you can attack. And even though you fail to attack, you might get some influence in this side this time. So this would be enough for black. We played here, and I play elsewhere, and then you invested one more stones. When you think of the stones, when you compare the stones that invested in the right on the corner, it is not really worth it for black because I played big places twice in a row. And yeah, I took the corner and I played here, and this one I would say it's a bit lost because it's good hangman for this shape in territory wise. But yeah, I played here, and this resistance was quite nice because if you go behind, this is not really good shape for black. So this resistance was nice. And next, I played here and played here. And now that you got a Tente, you can play elsewhere, like big places, but you make a mistake here to take kote. Even though you take one stone, this one, this A, this is not that worth it as much as the other place. So I took the big place again. So the game getting, getting even the difference between black and white. And you take here another small place this time. It's rather you rather play big places again, like A or B, or I think if I were you, I might go up these three stones because black always can make a living with here, A or B. So this shape doesn't matter, and then this shape, the white shapes are looks quite weak. Now that I can come out to the center and also kind of support these three stones. So yeah, now this is small again. You already made a lead in the left under corner and then you invested again. So at this point, I'll say the game is getting closer. It's quite similar this in this point. Still black is leading, but and I played here and the game I'll say the game finished here. You chose here. This was the first mistake because we need to think of this corner shape. I'll point it out. This corner shape. A is actually sente because as you might read in the actual game, later on if white goes 1 and 2 and 3, white get black stones. So A is sente. So once white block here, the answer like this. So when we think of these shapes are, I mean, there's a this sente for white. Would you choose, would you rather choose here or extension or even just play elsewhere like this? That's why I'm saying this is the mistake. I jump out and I blocked and you played here and I knew that it's gonna be sente. So I make the sente exchange and take the side. And at this point, white is good, so I'll stop the review from here. But I felt you play really strong, your shape quite strong. But sometimes it's better to take big places once you feel your shape is um, enoughly strong, I'll say. So this was my review, and then if you have any comments or question for me, you can always drop me in the Discord. So yeah, I'll upload this video in the YouTube and then I'll give you the link so that you can watch this. Thank you.